Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This is Madmick here. I'm going to talk about today about tyre pressure monitoring system on the Zontes models. Now specifically, as you can see from my dash, I have got no tyre pressure monitor alert on, and my bike is 2 years old. The easiest way to sort this out is I get a lot of questions regarding my tyre pressure monitor is always on it, so you know they get a little symbol at the top there with a little U like a tyre. Look in your manual for your bike on this 350 GK. It says tyre pressures must be at 250 kPa, kilopascals, which equates to 36 psi. Now obviously it's a warm day, I've been riding 5 miles, I've got the 3 or 4 miles to go to work. Your tyre pressures do increase by 1 or 2 psi. So if you set your tyre pressure at the rear at 36 or 37 and you put your tyre pressure at the front at 35, you will PSI, and just do it very accurately, you know, use your own system, but just do it accurately. Don't use a stupid petrol, you go to a petrol station and use theirs, they're all wrong. Use your own. So because I've been riding for a while, mine actually says 38 psi in the front and 40 psi in the rear at 30 degrees C in the rear and 27 degrees Celsius in the front tyre. So setting the tyre pressures like I have done, and don't get a light on because it's basically it's in its sync, it's in its value of where it's supposed to be. Sorry, just concentrating there a little bit. So as long as you look in your manual and set your tyre pressures according to what the manual says. I mean, on the 350 GK or 350 range, it doesn't specify a front and rear tyre pressure. It just says as long as your tyre pressure should be 250 kPa, which is 36 psi. So as long as you're in that range of 36 psi, then your monitoring system will look and be good, and then it'll be accurate. I mean, the actual sensors themselves, the German sensors, are not. We got 4 transit vans at work, and they have got tyre pressure monitoring sensors on. God knows what they are because they never work. One of them says it's faulty out of the Ford or whatever, it doesn't read. But the German tyre pressures, like on the Mercedes, etc., they're spot on, and that's what you've got on your Zontes bikes. You've got the German tyre pressure monitor. So as long as you set it to the correct value, generally, if you have to go to the learning on the dash, go to the learning after you've set them. You don't have to wait, just go into the learning, press learning, and then go to your back tyre, press learning. You don't have to wait and sit there, it automatically does it for you. You don't have to think, oh, well, it's not doing it, it's just saying learning, and then just set off. So don't just sit there and think, oh, it's not learning. Just press to say yes, learn, on the front and the rear, and then you'll find that everything's good. You set off, you start riding, it'll learn the tyre pressures you're on. As long as you're in the value set within your owner's manual, you'll be fine. That's it for now. Tatty bye. I will see you all later. Please look at all the videos, please subscribe if you haven't, there's lots of videos to watch. This is Madmick signing off. See you all later.
I'm coming for the throne.